In the fading light of the savannah, a lone antelope grazes, unaware that danger lurks in the shadows. A clan of hyenas moves silently, hunting in deadly coordination. The hyenas fan out, circling their prey with precision. Their eyes gleam with hunger, teeth snapping silently. The antelope freezes, sensing danger, every muscle coiled, ready to flee, but will it be fast enough? Suddenly the lead hyena lunges, the antelope explodes into a sprint, dust rising as hooves pound the earth. One hyena snaps at its heels, another flanks from the side. Speed meets strategy in this life-or-death chase across the savannah. The antelope dodges, twisting sharply, but the hyenas are relentless. One bites its flank, jaws clamping tight. The antelope stumbles, muscles straining, heart racing. It's a battle of endurance, cunning, and survival instinct. The hunter versus the hunted. Summoning every ounce of strength, the antelope leaps across a ravine, barely escaping the snapping jaws of the hyenas. Some hesitate, unwilling to risk the jump. The chase reaches its climax. Who will claim victory in this deadly hunt? Who wins this deadly savannah chase? The relentless hyenas or the cunning antelope? Tell us in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe now to PD Wild Truth for more heart-pounding wild hunts and epic animal battles.